The third component of the transition planning process is individualized transition services. Transition services are the activities that prepare students to move from school to post-school life. These activities must be based on the student's need, preferences, and interest, and help support the goals that were developed by the IEP team. Under the IDEA, transition services are defined as a coordinated set of activities designed to facilitate the child's movement from school to post-school activities, including further education, independent living, and employment. And these services are what the school is going to do to help the student go from where they are to where they want to be. The school district can partner with other agencies to provide these services. Let's take a look at some examples of transition services for each of the three goal areas. Transition services related to post-secondary education could include purchasing assistive technology and training the student on how to use it, enrolling in courses while the student is still in high school that align with their post-secondary interests, and visiting college campuses or trade schools. Now, for some examples related to independent living, could include classes on cooking or budgeting, driver's education and/or travel training, and self-advocacy, particularly around a student's disability and the types of accommodations that allow them to be successful. Some other resources around independent living that are important for parents to know about, but will not be discussed further in this presentation, are applying to Social Security for disability benefits, registering with Pennsylvania's intellectual disability system, and registering for the Bureau of Autism Services. Finally, here are some examples of transition services related to employment: job shadowing, work-based learning experiences, attendance at a job or career fair, or vocational assessments. But remember, having your child attend a career fair once a year is not enough of a transition service for your student to be successful. By partnering with other agencies, there are more resources that the IEP team can put into the IEP. One example is the Office of Vocational Rehabilitation, or OVR. OVR is the state agency that is responsible for helping individuals with disabilities prepare for, obtain, and maintain employment. Both federal and state law require collaboration between OVR and school districts to develop IEPs that include job skills and training where appropriate. OVR counselors are required to participate in IEP meetings if they are invited, and parents can invite counselors to the meetings. The keys for successful collaboration between OVR and the school district, or any other agency and the school district, are that these service providers understand the student's transition goals and ensure that all the plans are aligned and include services to achieve these goals. Service plans include the IEP through the student's school, the individual support plan, or ISP, through the Bureau of Autism Services or Intellectual Disability System, and the Individual Plan for Employment, or IPE, through the Office of Vocational Rehabilitation. Is your student thinking about college? There are 268 college programs nationwide for students with intellectual disabilities or autism. 96 of these programs serve students while the student is still in high school in that 18 to 21 range. Is your student thinking about a career path? Two examples of post-secondary career programs include the Bridges from School to Work program, which has a 15 to 24 month long program that helps youth with disabilities ages 17 to 22 find employment, or Project Search, which is a business-led one-year school-to-work program that takes place entirely in the workplace. For more resources, or if you have questions, please reach out to us at www.pubintlaw.org or by phone at 267-546-1314. Once again, my name is Darlene Hamerka, and I thank you for watching this series.